My beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers and my new subscribers, you are all welcome. In this today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to do a bridal hairstyle, as in bridal updo. So if you really want to know how to do this lovely hairstyle, please stay tuned and watch from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any step of doing this lovely hairstyle. And these are the tools we need for this lovely bridal hairstyle. You need bridal hair pin, as you can see, guys. This is the tiny one. You need your got2b spray. You also need your rubber band. Yes, guys, this is rubber band. You can use black or any of the color. So you also need bobby pin. You need brush as well. So guys, let's get started for the tutorial. You also need this tail comb or cutting comb, and this is the extension we are using, color 33, and it's cutting 3. So let's get started for the tutorial. First thing, you need to achieve this hairstyle on a clean hair. As you can see, this hair is washed already and is blow dried already. So guys, here right now I want to section the hair into 4 portions. Yep, for you to achieve this lovely hairstyle, so you part this hair into 4 sections, and this is the one I've already part. So you go ahead and you spray your got2b to the hair. So after that, you use your brush to brush it to make it look very sleek. Then you blow dry it for like 2 to 3 seconds, and then you secure it with rubber band. Can you see, guys? You can achieve this lovely hairstyle on both natural hair and relaxed hair. Now you secure it with rubber band. Can you see? Make sure you hold it firm. So you go ahead, and this is the second aspect we want to section. Can you see? We actually want to section the hair into 4 portions, and this is the second one here, guys. So you repeat the same thing to the whole hair round for you to achieve the 4 portion. Please, while doing this hair, pay attention, and please don't rush yourself. As a beginner, you find it very lovely. Just make sure you watch from the beginning to the end. You will not miss any step of doing it if you do that. So guys, these are the 4 portions we have here, guys, as you can see. Now let's move on to the next step. We are done with the parting aspect. Right here, I'm securing this first one and using rubber band just to secure it so that it won't be coming out while applying your extension. And the 2 one at the middle, you mat it together and you secure it with bobby pin, as you can see. So we are moving on to extension aspect. Guys, can you see the way I'm using rubber band to cross the extension, so that it will be very easy for you to wrap to the knots? Can you see, guys? The extension is picked already and it's cutting 3. Then you wrap it around the knots. So after, when you're done with the wrapping, you go ahead and you begin to braid the hair. As you can see the way I'm braiding it, you braid it not too tight. Make sure you lose your hand so that it'll be very easy for you to pull out when you want to style the hair. So then when you're done with the braiding, you go ahead and use your bobby pin just to secure it and to hold it firm. Can you see, guys? You use your bobby pin to secure it with the one you section aside, just to hold it together and to make it firm. Yep. Then you use your hand to dress the area that you need to use your bobby pin to secure. You just go ahead and you secure it with bobby pin, as you can see, guys. Please don't forget to share this video to your loved ones and give this video a very big thumbs up if you wish. And if the video is helpful, please, not if you wish, please, I'm begging you, share this video to your loved ones, because sharing is part of caring. So guys, we are done with the back aspects. Now we are moving on to the front aspects. The extension is cutting 3 and you use 1 for the back, while 2 at the front. So you repeat the same thing. You use the rubber band to tie the knots, then you begin to twist the front aspects, then you wrap it around the edges for you to get a lovely style. Can you see? So when you wrap it, you begin to secure it with bobby pin. So you use big bobby pin so that it will hold it firm. Can you see, guys? And this is the first aspect from the front one. Now you repeat the same thing. Can you see? You twist it and it's not too tight. Make sure you lose your hand while twisting it. So when you are done with the twisting, you go ahead and you wrap it. Make sure you use your hand to adjust it so that the wrapping will look very neat. Then you go ahead and secure it with bobby pin. Make sure the bobby pin is not obvious while you are clipping it. Can you see, guys? So this hairstyle is very lovely. It's actually a bridal hairstyle and you can do it for a date. If you have any occasional, you can go out with it. It's very lovely. So when you are done, you go ahead and you trim the hair. As you can see, you trim it properly. After when you finish trimming the hair, you spray God to be on it just to hold it firm and to secure all the small hair coming out. So that's all about this hairstyle. Go ahead and you clip the bridal pin, and that is all. This is the final look of the hairstyle. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know in the comment section if the video is helpful, and please give it a very big thumbs up, share to your loved ones, and leave a comment below. I would love to see your comment. Thank you. I love you all.